Hello my brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Please get that like button, that subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you always know I post to upload. And if you're returning, welcome back guys. I'm in Brecon and I'm just about to start my journey to the Devil's Elbow and do the Brecon's little adventure that I planned for today. Behind me is a little church and the Duke of Wellington statue is just over there. So it's a really lovely town centre. I recommend you come down here. Really lovely. So me and baby's ready to set off, and I hope you enjoy this one. So we're going through the Brecons, and so first of all I'll be heading to the oldest yew tree in the UK. I love a yew tree. And then I'll be heading to the Devil's Elbow and I'll be doing a full waterfalls, but stick around and I'll see you in a minute. Bye.